And in the heart of Portugal, there's a river that courses through the land with an aura of legend and myth. This is the Douro River. A tale as old as time tells of a goddess so enchanted by the verdant landscape that she could not bear to part from it. Overwhelmed by a love so profound, she wept, and her tears flowed, carving their way through the land. The river, born from her sorrow, her longing, meandered through the valley, mirroring the goddess's eternal love for the land. Each twist and turn of the Douro River tells a story, a love letter etched deeply into the landscape. This river is not just a body of water, it's a testament to an enduring love story that has shaped the land and its people. More than just a waterway, the Douro River is a symbol of everlasting love and splendor, a lifeline that nourishes a region renowned for its exquisite wines. As the Douro River flows, it nourishes the land around it, a land that has become synonymous with some of the finest wines in the world. This is the Douro Valley, a wine region like no other. The unique microclimate and rugged terrain of the valley cultivate a distinct and flavorful array of grapes. Primarily, the region is known for its Touriga Nacional, a high-quality grape variety that is the backbone of Portugal's most famous export, port wine. But the valley is not just about port. Tinta Roriz, Touriga Franca, and Tinta Barroca are also grown here, each contributing to the rich tapestry of Douro wines. The tradition of winemaking in the Douro Valley is as old as time itself. The region's winemaking history stretches back over 2,000 years, making it one of the oldest demarcated wine regions in the world. Over the centuries, generations of vintners have toiled on the steep, terraced vineyards, creating innovative cultivation techniques to harness the challenging landscape. The Douro Valley is more than just a place. It's a living, breathing testament to the resilience of nature and the ingenuity of mankind. These are wines born of struggle, of a harmony struck between the vintner and the vine, and of a deep respect for the land and the river that nourishes it. The Douro Valley, with its captivating beauty and exceptional wines, is indeed a testament to the magic that can be created when nature and human ingenuity come together. If this piqued your interest, there's good news for you. There's a world of unique experiences waiting for you in Porto. Imagine exploring stunning landscapes, visiting lush vineyards, and savoring the world-renowned wines of the Douro Valley. The best holiday offers are at your fingertips. All you need to do is check the video description. So why wait? Check out the holiday offers and plan your trip to the enchanting Douro Valley. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories and travel tips.